Well, the Times Group has pledged to help India to transform India into a digital economy. We have pledged to work on ground to help people adopt the digital mode of payments.
Right. In fact, on Republic Day, Times Group held first Aadhaar camp at the RK College in the western suburb of Malad in Mumbai. Hundreds of people queued up at the college from the early hours to get themselves registered. Here's a report.
The Remonetize India movement is Times Network's call to arms. The movement to move away from a society that consumes cash to one that goes digital and makes that cash available to those more in need. And Times Network is doing its bit to take this effort forward. On Republic Day, a first Aadhaar camp was held at the RK College in the western suburbs of Malad in Mumbai. Hundreds of people queued up at the college from early hours to get themselves registered.
Yeah, it has been actually a great initiative by Times Network, and it's also a very good initiative for the country as we are going digital.
An Aadhaar card now allows an individual to access his bank account using an app. With the Aadhaar linked to bank accounts, individuals can also access various services.
Well, it's a good cumulative effect of both Times Group as well as Union Bank. The turnaround has been really good. We have been educating people about the benefits of banking, and as our aim is to go cashless and go digital. So this is again one of the major steps.
We had one of the camps here organized in Malad as part of the Remonetize India initiative by the Times Network along with the Union Bank. There were college students here who were part of as volunteers to help people to avail not just Aadhaar and PAN cards but also open accounts in Jan Dhan Yojana accounts even with zero balance. The numbers have been enthusiastic. Even sometime from now they will continue to increase. That is what the volunteers have been telling, and the numbers clearly speak for themselves as people brace themselves to move forward as part of Digital India.